Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this wonderful world. Welcome to the Estate of Blue of the South. Today, I will share with you a recipe on how to make easy popovers. Mom used to make this wonderful dish, and I would have it for breakfast before school. I am doubling the recipe. So, 2 packages of cream cheese, 16 eggs. We're putting them in the blender. I make this recipe with sausage and bacon bits, but you can use vegetables to spice it up if you don't want meat. It's a really high protein dish. This will melt the butter in the cooking pan on the stove. Then we'll take a pound of sausage and brown it really well. Here you can use vegetables and a little olive oil in your popover. Yummy. The butter is melting and the sausage is almost cooked. I like to cook my sausage firm. This recipe is really good for people on the go who want high protein. Now I'm whisking the butter around in the pan, ensuring that the pan is covered. I like to break the sausage up into crumbles so that it's evenly distributed into the dish. Now I'll add a few seasonings, a little garlic to taste. Well, garlic powder, I mean. You can add chopped garlic if you like. A little Italian seasoning to your taste. Use a lot of dry seasonings because I like to buy multiples or buy it in bulk. Now let's stir all of the seasonings in evenly. Now that the pan is covered, we'll add the excess butter into the blender with the eggs and the cream cheese. Now preheat your oven to 350. If you were doing an 8 by 8, you would cook this dish for 30 minutes. But since we're doubling the recipe, we will cook it for 45 minutes. Now add your seasoned sausage to the baking dish and spread it evenly across the bottom of the pan. Blend the cream cheese, the butter, and the eggs. Adding a cup of shredded cheese of your choice across the bottom of the pan on top of the sausage. Pour your blend across the cheese and the sausage in your baking pan. I'll garnish my dish with bacon bits, and then I'll add a little parsley across the top. This is going to be delicious. Carefully place your dish into the oven, and we will bake this for 45 minutes. Oh my goodness. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, it is so yummy. I love popovers. It brings back such wonderful memories of me and mom cooking together. And it is complete. Once the popover has cooled down, I'll slice it up, put some in the refrigerator, and save some into the freezer for a later date. Thank you so much for joining the State of Blue of the South in making the easy to make popover. Please be creative with your dish. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. And please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Have a wonderfully blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.